Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, please speak loudly. Can you hear me very well?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, I can hear you now. Okay. Is it okay? My volume is okay? You can hear now properly?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Can anybody say where we have stopped? Is it by last multiplication problems? We stopped with different types of multiplication. Hanna, Rashid Ali, what happened? Maybe network issue. So you can try to switch on later. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. We stopped at multiplication of.
That is clear to you, no? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, etc. So today, what we are going to do is we are going to start with the properties of multiplication. Okay, properties of multiplication. I think I have just said to you what are the properties. You have studied properties of multiplication of whole numbers last year, isn't it? Do you know?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
All of you had breakfast? Why no energy?
Yes,
Energy
ma'am.
is not there? Huh?
No, ma'am.
Had or going to have during this period? Huh? Why switch on the videos, all of you? Switch on your videos. See, Fayas, Vinyan, otherwise all are absent. Okay, I won't give you present. Okay, so listen to me. Fayas, sit straight to Stina Shijo, Vivian Vincent. Switch on the videos. I'll put absent if the videos are not on. Okay. So we are going to study the properties of this integers. You have learned so many operations, isn't it? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division of integers. And you have studied how to add integers, add or subtract the integers when lot of integers are given together, and how to multiply the integers when again lot of integers are given. I have sent the notes yesterday. All of you have seen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so complete it. Sit and complete it according to the time which you get.
Ma'am, I completed.
Okay, very good. So after completing one lesson, I will ask you to show the notes. Okay. After completing one lesson, I'll give you the time. So 10 students each, I will give you the time when you have to give me. Send it to me. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So at that time, no excuse, you have to send. Because only 10 students each I can collect and see. So that time you should not say any excuses. Clear?
Ma'am.
So now, every day, whenever I am giving the notes, immediately you complete it. So no delay will be there. Okay. And so children, today we are going to start with the properties of integers. There are some properties of whole numbers you have studied last year, isn't it? Like closure
Yes,
property,
ma'am.
commutative property, associative property, isn't it? So many properties you have studied. Same way,
Yes, ma'am.
integers also have all these properties. Let us check per operation. That means addition of integers have some property, subtraction of integers have some property, multiplication and division also have some properties. Sometimes only they will satisfy all these properties. Let us check one by one. Okay. So we'll see what it does. First one, I'll take the board. Okay, so it is on. Now listen, children, first one is properties of multiplication. Sorry, properties of addition. Properties of addition. Properties of addition of integers.
Ma'am, should we write this in notes?
In the rough note you can write. In the rough note you can write. Okay, integers. Properties of integers. Properties of integers. So first one is, before introducing, I'll call you, tell me two integers, just give me two examples of two integers, children. Examples of two integers. Any
Negative
Positive 15 plus
one more.
negative 3.
Plus 15, positive 15 plus negative 3 you are saying, okay. We took two integers, positive 15 and negative 3, and we are going to add them. Addition. What we are going to learn is properties of addition of integers, okay. Addition of integers. So see this. So we have to add and look. What is the answer? Huh? Two integers are different sign. So what we have to do?
Positive 12.
Positive 12. Find difference. Subtract and put the sign of the greater number. So positive 12 you got. Next one. So we will take this as A. First one as A and this as B. So this is A plus B. Now another integer, any two integers. Anybody can say. Give example.
positive 6
Plus
plus positive 6.
tell me. Positive 6 plus
Negative 15.
negative 15. Okay, what is the answer?
Negative 11.
Negative 11. 6 and 15.
No, negative 9.
Negative 9. 6 plus, 6 plus 9 only gives you 15, right? 6 plus 10 is 16. So 6 plus 9 is 15. Okay. So we have 9. What 9?
Negative 9.
Negative 9. Okay. So we have taken two integers. If you take more integers also, this will be the answer. Just check it. First one is A, the second one is B. Here also we'll take the first one as A and second one as B. Now check this. Look at this. Here, this is an integer, isn't it? 15 is an integer. Negative 3 is an integer. What is the answer? It is also an integer, right? It is not a decimal or a fraction.
Yes, ma'am.
It's also an integer. Now next one you see positive 6, negative 15, negative 9, all are integers. So when you add an integer to another integer, answer is also an integer. It is not any other number, isn't it? When you add
Yes, ma'am.
an integer with another integer, the answer, the result or the sum, here we have to say the sum, right? Because we are adding. Sum is also an integer, same family, right? From the same family. So we can say that they are closed under addition. Integers are, we can say integers are closed under addition. Okay, so we can say integers are closed under addition. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so shall we pass on to the next property?
Yes.
I
Yes,
don't
ma'am.
want to drag because
Yes, ma'am.
very easy topic it is. Okay, just you understand and finish, that's enough. Okay, so we'll pass on to the next property. Next property, it is this one. Now, again, let me take two integers. As you said, negative 6 plus two integers I am taking, negative 5. Okay, children? Now I am going to add them. I am going to add. What is the answer? Aaron, Jomi, what is the answer for this? Aaron?
Ma'am, negative 11.
Negative 11, very good. Okay, negative 11. Okay. Now, Nivedita, I am adding it in another order. I am adding like this, negative 5 plus negative 6. What is the answer?
Negative 11.
Negative 11 itself. Okay. Now again, another example. You can tell me any other name. Who is there? Ehan?
Yes, ma'am.
Ehan, tell me, give me two integers.
Negative 8
Hmm.
plus
Hmm.
negative 16.
Negative 16. Okay. What is the answer?
Negative 8.
Eh? Negative 8 plus negative 16. Both are negative. So don't confuse. When two negatives, you have to add and put negative sign. Isn't it?
Yes.
So, tell me the answer.
Ma'am,
Negative 19.
Tell me answer, you tell me.
Negative 19.
Oh, 16 plus 8.
ma'am, negative 24.
Negative
So add
24.
and put, simply add and put negative sign. Why are you forgetting? I am keeping on asking all these things to remind you about the rules. Negative plus negative, add the numbers and put negative sign. Rules should be clear. Okay.
Here in the note.
It is there in the note. So 8 plus 16 you will get 24. Which sign? Both are negative, so negative sign. Clear. Now I am going to add in the reverse order. Negative 16 plus negative 8. What is the answer?
The same. So negative
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 24.
24.
Isn't it? Same answer. So here we will mark it as A. Here we will mark it as A. This one as A, this one as B. Here also this one is A, this one is B. Okay. So here you see I am adding this one. Here it is A plus B. A plus B is the same as B plus A, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I added in different order. I got the answers same. Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Negative 6 plus negative 5 is negative 11. Negative 5 plus negative 6. The reverse order I added, answer is same. So I can say A plus B is equal to B plus A. And here also another example we took. You told the numbers A, B, A plus B. I can write it is equal to the same thing, second one coming B plus A. So B plus A. So I can say that A plus B is equal to B plus A. This property is known as commutative property. Commutative property. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Two properties. First one is closure property. What is the meaning of that? When we take two integers from the integer family, we are adding, answer will be also from integer family. It is a family problem, right? So, the integer, same family. The answer is also from the family of integers. So, that property is known as closure property. So, what is commutative property? I can add the add. We are dealing with addition of integers. Okay, addition of integers. In the case of addition of integers, you can add the integers in different order. Answer is same. This property is known as commutative property. Is it clear? Both properties?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All of you? I will ask. After the class, I'll be asking one more property is there. Don't confuse. We are passing on to the next property. Am I going fast?
No, ma'am.
You can understand, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is all silly, easy topics. That's why I'm going fast. If you didn't understand, you have to tell me. You have to ask me to go slow. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So let us close this. We will see the next property. Okay. Again, you give me three integers. I'm going to add, this is a one integer with another integer plus another integer. This is the question given. Suppose any integer you can take, okay? Any integer you can take and add. I'm going to add this. This one is A, this one is B, this one is C. So we are going to add three integers. Okay, three integers. So what are, yes, children?
And -9.
-9.
Okay, that is the final answer. But we are going to learn some properties. So just see this. First, I will add A plus B, this together. I am going to add this two together. I will add this two together. That is A plus B I am going to do. What is the answer? I will add this first. So what is the answer?
-8.
Negative 8. And to this answer, negative 8 plus this one I will add. Negative 1. So what is negative 9? Okay. So what I did, first I added A plus B. See, I'll write it together. Uh, I'll write together. This is equal to 8. That is not needed. Plus 1, negative 1. So we got, I added this and then added this one. So I got answer negative 1, negative 9, negative 9. Now I am going to add in another order. What is this I have done? A plus B, first I added, then I added with C, this one. Isn't it? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
If I added with C. So what I got? Negative 9. Now let us check. First I am going to add in another order. This one plus negative 1. I will be adding in another order. See this. First I will add this 2. Okay. I'm going to add this 2. Then I will add that answer with this number. So let me add this. What I will get, children? Negative 3 plus negative 1.
-4.
Negative 4 plus this one, negative 5.
-5.
So this is A, this is B, this is C.
-9.
Answer is
-9.
negative 9 itself, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is known as associative property. Associative property. What is that? Three integers, property. Three integers can be added in any order. Hannah, are you listening? Are you listening? Yes. Can you say what is associative property now? Just now I explained how many integers we took? We took three integers, isn't it? So what I did? First, A plus B plus C was the integer. I added A plus B and then added with C. That was equal to A plus B plus C. This is the property. So, if A, B, C are three integers, three integers can be added in any order. This is known as associative property. If A, B, C are any three integers a plus b plus c is equal to a plus b plus c. Any doubt, please ask me.
No, ma'am.
No doubt, no? Everything is
No.
clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So three properties we studied. First one is closure property. Second one is commutative property. Next one was associative property. Clear?
Ma'am, no.
Yes, ma'am.
Closure property means if we take two integers from two integers and add, we'll get an integer itself as answer. That property is known as closure property. Now second one, commutative property. Two integers, if we add, we can add in any order. A plus b is equal to b plus a. That is commutative property. Associative property means three integers can be added in any order. First, A, B, C are three integers. A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. In any order, you can add. Did you understand?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Same as whole numbers you studied last year. Same as whole numbers. So these three properties are clear. Now we will pass on to two more. That are not properties, but you have to study what it is. Identity element. You have studied it for whole numbers, but for integers, let us check whether it is correct or not. Or we call it additive identity. Identity element of addition of integers. Identity element of addition of integers. Identity element of addition of integers. What is it? Identity element of addition of integers, or we can call it as additive identity, or we can call it as additive identity. Additive identity. So let us check what is it. See this, any integer you can take. Suppose I am taking -2 plus 0. What is the answer?
-2. -2.
-2. 0 plus -2. Answer?
-2.
-2. Isn't it? Take any other integer. Tell me any other integer.
3. 3.
Positive 3.
Positive 3. Positive 3 plus 0. Answer is?
Positive 3.
Positive 3. Now 0 plus positive 3. What is the answer?
Positive 3. Positive 3.
So you listen, you have your identity card, no? What does it reveals? Identity card.
Your identity.
Your
Ma'am,
identity.
identity.
Your identity. It reveals yourself, isn't it? It reveals who are you? Who are you? It tells who are you. That means the same. Identity means the same. So if you add, we are learning addition of integers. Okay. We are learning addition of integers, and all this is regarding addition of integers. So see, addition. We are learning all this with the addition of integers. So identity element of addition of integers is 0, because identity element is something which reveals your identity, which gives you the same number. Understand? So when added, it gives you the same number. So that is why 0 is called the additive identity, or identity element of addition of integers. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Added with 0, it gives you the same integer, identity. It's identity, isn't it? If you add an integer with 0, that gives the identity of that element. What is that element? Itself, same integer itself. So
Same.
Again, if 0 is added with another integer, then also it reveals the identity of the integer which is added. So, same. Next also you can see whenever it is added with 0 or 0 is added with that integer, answer is the same integer or it reveals the identity. So, that is why it is known as identity element of addition of integers, or we call it additive identity of integers. Understood? So 0
Yes, ma'am.
is the additive identity of, okay, 0 is the additive identity of integers. 0 is the additive identity of integers. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
One more is there. That also we can finish, or I'll take attendance. Otherwise, I won't get time to take attendance. Okay. So let it be. One more property is there. In the next period, we can study that. Okay. So let it be here this time. So we have learned 3 properties, and this is one fact about additive identity. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, I'm stopping here. We will see next class. I have to take the attendance of yours. So, I'm marking the activities. Always I am not taking attendance during the last time. In between also I will take the attendance. So all of you should be present. Morning, first time itself, beginning itself, everybody should be present. Sure. So let's see, no? Okay, let me call the name. Adi Ishwar is present. Adi Ishwar.
Ma'am.
Adidev A.
Present. Present, ma'am.
His date is 22. Aaron Jomi.
Present.
Aaron, okay. Abhinav Sajan. Abhinav Sajan. Absent. There is no use if you attend the second period. Without attending first period, if you attend second period, what is the use? Then Ajol Roshni. Absent.
Yes, ma'am.
I have to call. Al-Aswan.
Present, ma'am.
Al-Farhan. Al-Farhan. Absent.
Absent.
Next. Ananya Jindo.
Present, ma'am.
Ananya, okay. Anlin Princeton.
Present, ma'am.
Anlin.
Present, ma'am.
Devanarayanan. Absent. So for so many days they are absent. Devanarayanan. Yes, Han Rafi,
Present, ma'am.
Emil Lijo,
Present, ma'am.
Fayaz Mohammed,
Present, ma'am.
Gautam Krishna, Hanna Rashid Ali. Gautam is present, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Gautam. Hanna is present. Harin and Manoj.
Present, ma'am.
Ishan P. Jayesh. Ishan, absent. Aradhya,
Present, ma'am.
Michelle Mercy Saju. Michelle.
Present, ma'am.
Yes, good. Michelle. Mohammad Afridi. He also is absent for so many days. Mohammad Yasin. Yasin, absent. Mohammad Sinan.
Present, ma'am.
Mustafa, Nihal Mustafa. Nihal. Nihal, present or absent? Nihal Mustafa, absent. Next person. Nivedita is present. No, yes. Rolls is present. Yes, yes, yes. Sanaika,
Present, ma'am.
Sandra,
Present, ma'am.
Savio,
Present, ma'am.
Sian Fatima,
Present, ma'am.
Shravana Suresh,
Present, ma'am.
Stansel Sebastian,
Present, ma'am.
Stina Shijo,
Present, ma'am.
Vivian Vincent, Vivian.
Present, ma'am.
Vivian is present.
Yes, ma'am.
Your video I cannot see, Vivian.
My video is
Huh?
on. My video is on.
Why every time your video is off like this? I think I have not seen your face.
Ma'am, it is on right now.
Huh?
Light is on.
Where?
Ma'am.
Anybody can see him?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
You can see. I'll just check. Next side.
We can see him on your screen.
Okay. Let me check. Okay, I have seen. Okay, children, so wind up this meeting, this class, not meeting, this class. So next class we can meet. Hope you have understood today's classes, no?
Yes,
All of
ma'am.
you? Okay. So next period we will meet. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye. Have a great day.